Hi, I'm Bruce from S&S Cycle, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install the new Stealth Air Cleaner adapter for Harley Davidson Rushmore models. The whole idea of the Stealth Air Cleaner was that you twin cam owners could use your stock air cleaner cover with a high performance air cleaner and nobody would know that you had a little extra something going for you in the horsepower department. That's been working really well for 1999 to present big twins. But in 2014, the Rushmore engine with water-cooled heads was introduced, and the Rushmore air cleaner had a different cover that didn't fit the Stealth air cleaner. That means you could install a Stealth air cleaner on your water hog, but you couldn't use the stock Rushmore air cleaner cover. Frustrating. But not to worry. S&S has come up with a slick little adapter kit that adapts the stock Rushmore cover to the Stealth air cleaner. This is a pretty simple kit. The main part of this kit is this rubbery black plate adapter. Okay. It's flat on the back, but it's shaped like the inside of the Rushmore cover on the front side. The rest of the kit is the hardware that you need to put it together. But instead of explaining what all the hardware bits do, why don't I just show you? What we have here is a 2014 bagger with a Rushmore engine. We've already installed the Stealth air cleaner kit for throttle-by-wire big twins, but we haven't installed the cover yet. We have another video that shows how to install the air cleaner here on YouTube. And if you'd like to see how that's done, click on this blue square that's just magically appeared up here in the air. Maybe if you click on it, it'll go away. Good, it's gone. Now let's get this air cleaner cover installed. The first thing I'll do is to remove these button head cap screws. In the usual installation, these screws hold the top cover on the air filter, but they don't get in the way of the standard air cleaner cover. I'm going to replace the button head screws with these socket head cap screws. I'll put flat washers over both of them and apply a little blue thread locker. And install them in the same threaded holes that we took the original screws out of. Of course, if I was installing this air cleaner right now, I'd just skip the button head screws and go right to the socket head cap screws in the first place. Now I'll torque them to 72 inch-pounds. It's a good idea to use a torque wrench to make sure you don't over-tighten these bolts. You can break stuff if you twist on it hard enough. Push this aluminum spacer into the center of the rubber adapter. Now push the adapter onto the back plate so the socket head cap screws fit into the holes in the back of the adapter. The heads of those screws hold the adapter in place so I can easily install the cover and bolt it on. I'll apply some blue thread locker to the stainless steel center bolt and install the cover and the center bolt that holds it in place. The shape of the adapter indexes the cover in the correct position. Torque the center bolt to 10 foot-pounds. And voila, there you are. The installation is complete. Of course, it's a good idea to clean off any fingerprints or oil that may have gotten onto the pipes. They come off easily now, but after you start the bike and they burn on, not so much. As you can see, installing the Stealth adapter is really easy, and it makes it a snap to install your stock Rushmore air cleaner cover on your Stealth air cleaner. Now you can cruise around town and nobody will know just how bad you really are, but you'll know it every time you twist the throttle. If you're just installing the Stealth air cleaner, it's not really necessary to calibrate the fuel injection, but it's a good idea. If you're installing a set of S&S PowerTune dual headers and mufflers as well, it's an even better idea. If you've also installed a set of cams, EFI tuning is a must, but we'll leave that for another video. We hope this video has helped you get it on, and thanks for watching.